And it's going to give them huge confidence. Now the turn of possession. Noble. Wide to cross. In again. And another Mordi falling down. Referee Kaizer is not convinced by that either. Noble. Monyani. Here's the cross again. Good clearing header this time from Vilakazi. This might be a chance. It's a goal. Snap effort from Duba. A real striker's goal. Just before the half-time break. Excellent spin from Duba. It was a brilliant ball played in from Bradley Cross here. Kaizer Chiefs searching for some spaces. The clearance not convincing, falls to Cross. Excellent pass picked out to Duba. One touch. I don't know if he knew much about that, but the second one was the important one. They got it past Chibwe and into the net. And I wonder if the very experienced Raman Pachere might well have caught him offside if he'd... Simango chases on here. Can he put it back? Goal! Shabalala! And Kaizer Chiefs come from behind to take the lead. Well, they've been threatening the breakthrough. They've got it now. It smiles all over, celebrations all over. Deservedly so. An extended period of pressure, eventually unlocking that defense. Nice and easy, much better settled defense here, playing through the different phases. One touch that released it. It was an excellent run from Shabalala. Done his work to get to the edge of the box. Brilliant awareness from Duba. And it's Shabalala that slots it home. The cross comes in from Monyani, the dummy from Duba. And Shabalala says, thank you very much. And that's going to change the complexion of this battle for third place. Put the pressure on Amazulu now. In the meantime, changes with Chislett coming on. Vilakazi as well. But Shabalala goes off having scored. Well, yeah, all that golf and paddle does make you tired. Now, out wide from Global. Here they come. They're looking for a third. Vilakazi wide on the right-hand side. Jingana has been an excellent defender. Oh, lovely touch from Flavio Silva! And Global is on the score sheet as well. Or is that... Yeah, and Global. It was almost a toe poke to score. I think you're right, it was a toe poke. And it's being applauded from all around. Well, they were 4-1 winners in November against Orbit. Can they make it 4-1 here? Had it been a goal down. And Global, who scored against Polokwane, finally gets his second league goal of this campaign, matching the 2 that he scored for Supersport United last season in the league. What a back heel that was from Flavio Silva. And that was your 3 substitutes right there. Vilakazi set it up. A pass to Silva, and it's in Globo that finished it off with the toe poke. They all count.
And only now do we see some changes being made off the bench at Auburn College. You can see on the right-hand side of your screen, a couple of players standing by to come on. Is that all too little, too late now?
10 minutes left. Still a bit of time, but a big ask if they to get something from this. That is Auburn. And it's a Kaizer Chiefs that responded just before the halftime. And they've come out in the second stanza